What is up guys, Julian here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most popular of all styles of Italian wines, produced more particularly in the north of the country in the Veneto region near the beautiful city of Venice. Dry, crisp, fruity, lively, joyful wines made from a grape that in France is called Pinot Grigio. But in Italy they call it is the same grape, but they call it Pinot Grigio, which is the literal translation for Pinot Grey or Grey Pinot. So in French, like in Italian, the T to Pinot is silent. So do not say Pinot Grigio, just say Pinot Grigio. Do insist on the Igio part. The Italians love insisting on that part. Pinot Grigio. Pinot Grigio, white wine. Pinot Grigio. I'll leave you to it. If you want to learn more about Italian wines, here are videos, many more videos that you should watch next. If you like learning about wines, you are on the right channel. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Ciao ciao, arrivederci.